Ladies and gentlemen, the course Diversity of Living Things is basically the same as the course Morphology and Diversity of Living Things. It is a 3-credit-hour course and is essential for students pursuing biology with or without education, biological sciences with or without education, integrated science education, general science education, and so on and so forth. In this module, we will refer to it as diversity of living things, and by that, we mean the diversity in form or morphology and diversity in type. What is the objective of the course? This course is designed to give a general overview of biology to the beneficiary students. Students are introduced to the classification of living organisms and the morphological features or characteristics or traits of the prokaryotes or prokaryotic organisms or the kingdom Monera, whose members now fall under the eubacteria and archaebacteria, as well as other kingdoms, namely Prototexta or Protexta, fungi, plantae, and animalia. The course also examines the life histories and adaptations of some selected members of the various kingdoms, storage of animal museum samples as realia, and herbarium techniques. What is the course content? The content focuses on the features of morphological and evolutionary importance, habitats and adaptation mechanisms, mode of locomotion, feeding and reproduction, as well as ecological and economic importance of selected members of each taxonomic group. The following topics will be covered. 1. Features or characteristics of living and non-living things. 2. History and importance of classification, exploring the works of Aristotle, Linnaeus, and Mendel. 3. Classification and features of the Monera or prokaryotes and the eukaryotes, namely the Protexta, fungi, plantae, and animalia. For the prokaryote, the content covers the archaea, bacteria, and cyanobacteria or blue-green algae. For the kingdom Prototexta, it covers the animal-like or the protozoa, plant-like or the algae, fungus-like or the slime or water modes. For the fungi, the focus is on Chytridiomycota or the chytrids, Zygomycota or the conjugated fungi, Ascomycota or the sac fungi, Basidiomycota or the club fungi, plus the glomerulomycota. For the kingdom Plantae, the focus will be on the bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms, and the angiosperms. And in the case of the kingdom Animalia, the content covers the Platyhelminthes, Nematoda, Arthropoda, and other phyla. Among the vertebrates, the content features amphibia, fishes, reptilia, birds, and mammalia. Due to the current rate of biodiversity loss, among other things, the content features the realia and herbarium techniques. What about the practical schedule? We are expected and required to 1. Collect specimens of living and non-living things and group them accordingly, and to use taxonomic keys to group the living organisms into their respective kingdoms. 2. Observe different preserved specimens of prokaryotes under the microscope and draw. 3. Sample living organisms from different kingdoms. Identify and name them using the dichotomous key and present report. 4. Prepare plant album using herbarium techniques through a 4 to 6 weeks project. What skills or competencies are expected to be developed? The learners will be able to identify, group, and name living things using the scientific system of classification and naming. What should be the mode of instruction? The delivery will include lectures, group discussions, PowerPoint presentations, questions and answers, quizzes, tutorials, videos, and practical sections. I have attached a reading list in the description section of the video of this lecture on the YouTube channel called DH Media GH. In the next video, I will present to you an exceptional outline which I have designed for this course. Stay blessed and enjoy. Bye-bye.